Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Kenyan Creative. Welcome to another video. Today we are gonna be creating a news poster, right? So I think this is something that you might have come across most popularly on Instagram. You can see there are a lot of news channels and they usually make posters regarding the news. So today we are going to be making a news poster that is most preferably posted on Instagram. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Canva. Remember, we said you can use any software to make a poster as long as you're conversant with that software. So I'm going to come here and search for news, press enter, and it will give me so many results. I can just take a template and adjust it based on my preferences. All right, so you can see already we are having some very good suggestions. As you can see, this is looking nice. I like the results. You can see very nice posters. All right, so we can pick one and adjust. I think this looks okay with me, so let me click on it and then I'll click on customize template. All right, so that's how Canva works. There are people who've already done posters. All you need is to customize the template according to your needs. So I click on customize templates, takes me to a new tab where I can now edit based on what I want. So in this case, I'm gonna be making a poster that is relevant to what I want. I think for today is the 5th of August 2024. The breaking news for today is that about Bangladesh. I know that you've heard that there's something happening in Bangladesh, so we're going to be making a poster based on that. All right, so in this case I don't want to adjust so many things. So let me first of all delete this because now the first thing is we're supposed to rename it, so let's rename it as news, breaking news. All right, let's rename it to breaking news, and we can set it today's date so that we can know it's for today. All right, today is the 5th of August 2024. So I want to delete this because that doesn't matter to me, and then I'm going to delete this and just be left with the logo. So let me group these two together like that and put it to the corner like that. Good. Then for the breaking news here, what I'm gonna do, let's go to Google. Let's go to Google Trends, or let's go to Google News. All right, click on Google News and get to see what is trending for today. But as I've told you, what I want to do is post about Bangladesh. So you can see it's giving me results for Kenya, but let me click on world. So I'm clicking on world and you can see the latest news. We have UK protests and Bangladesh. All right, so I think I'm gonna go with Bangladesh. So let me click on BBC. Let's click on the news and just get a little bit of information that we're gonna be using on our poster. All right, so the breaking news, we need a headline. So see, this is Canva. This is the breaking news. We need a headline and we need a few of some texts. So that is what we are searching for. All right, so so you can see here that the topic is how Bangladesh protest ended Sheikh Hasina's 15-year reign. So this is gonna be our heading, but these are too many words, so let's shorten it to Sheikh Hasina's 15-year end of 15-year reign. All right, so that's gonna be our headline. Breaking news, end of 15-year reign. All right, so we're gonna copy some words here. We can copy, I think this one is looking okay. we can copy like this one. All right, copy that one and put it here. All right, Control V. So you can see it's a lot of information. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to drag this one and put here, and then I'm going to remove this one. So let's enlarge in this rectangle so that it's able to, like that. Let's enlarge in this so that we are trying to make it fit. Okay, and then this one we can put it there. Let me breaking news, we're gonna write here. Let's rename this to Bangladesh PM please country. All right, I think that's a good headline. All right, so position it to the center, click like that, so you can see everything is now looking nice. So I think things are looking okay. Let's push it like that. All right, so position it to the center, and then now let's align things. All right, good. So for this one here, now you can actually put your social media handles. For example, in this case, okay, from our logo you can see, okay, it doesn't have a name, so you can just put a name, maybe news though, breaking, maybe flashy news. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a social media handles here. So let me add social media handles. Come to brand fetch. Brand fetch is an application in Canva that allows you to get the correct logos for different brands on social media. So for example, Facebook logo, YouTube, and such things. Okay, so I think everything is looking nice. In the end, what we're going to do is we're going to adjust this image. All right, this image is not relevant to this news, so we're going to adjust that. So let's first of all add our social media handles, so, logos. So YouTube, we're going to add this one looking okay. Let's drag it here like that. Okay, I think that's looking okay. Then let's look for Instagram logo, and we're gonna add one like this one. I think this one looks okay. Reduce it like that, and make sure that it's aligned to this other one, and the spacing is equal, as you can see. All right, then let's add another one like Facebook logo, Facebook. All right, so Facebook, reduce it and make sure that it is the same size as the other logos, and that the spacing is also the same. All right, so we're gonna reduce this spacing to, okay, 10 is okay. This one also 10. I'm thinking looking nice. Then I'm gonna group all this. So select all of them and click on group, and then position them at the center like that. All right, so now what's remaining is to change the image so that it's relevant to this news. So you see breaking news, Bangladesh PM flees country. All right, so Ms. Hasina decision to flee country was also hastened by the military. All right, so is this something short, all right, to capture the audience. Okay, so we're gonna look for an image that shows Bangladesh. So I think let's search on Google Bangladesh PM flees country. All right, we're gonna look for an image that is relevant to what we are saying, download it, and then upload it and use it in the poster. All right, so let's go to the images. Now, important to note is that you should actually use images that are free to use. Okay, so is there any image that shows the fleeing? All right, I think this one looks okay, but this one is actually a video, so we can't use that one. Okay, all right, so because of time, I don't want to spend a lot of time looking for a poster. So what we're gonna do, is that we are gonna, let's just add her photo. Okay, we're gonna add her photo. Okay, let's download this one, save image as. All right, so we have saved that image. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here to the poster and go to uploads, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload the file from my desktop. I'll be able to upload the file. So click on that image, click on open, and you can see now it's uploading, and then now I'll drag it like this. All right, so you can see, yeah, that's how it looks like. All right, so you can see maybe this is not the best image to use, but anyway, this is just an example, so you can always adjust your image because of contrast. I think it's better to use a whiter image. So let's come back here and look for another image that is a bit white, like this one. I think this one is okay. Let's save it. Click on save, come back to the poster and click on upload files. Click on your image, let it upload, and let me show you the impact of having an image that contrasts with either color. All right, so you can see if I drag it, you can see at least it's contrasting a bit, but this one looks a bit bigger, so we can always reduce it like that. All right, okay, so let's reduce it like that. All right, so I think it's looking okay. We can remove the bluish color fade and just let this one picture be the main, like that, and you can see that's how it's gonna look like. All right, if you don't want this, you can actually add a fade. Let's come here to elements and search for a black fade. All right, black fade. Right, go to graphics and you'll be able to upload the black fade like that. All right, so you can see if you stretch it like that, you'll see you'll be able to have a black fade and position it to the back like that. All right, so you can continue adding a fade like this. Continue adding a fade like that, just duplicating until this image actually is somehow, all right, this edge is not seen. Okay, so we're gonna continue duplicating, position it to the back, duplicate again, position it to the back, so you understand what I'm doing. All right, so this image you can stretch it like that, and I think it's gonna look nice. And now position it to the back like that. All right, so you can see. Okay, so you can look for I think a better picture and use it there. Maybe the one that is not too much focused on the face. Let's see. All right, so so maybe you can use this one, save image as, save it, and then upload it here. Come to the uploads and click on upload files. All right, select that image, then you come and drag it here. All right, so you can see now the effect. Okay, so I think the other these images were too much focused on the face, and that's why they were not seeming like they were fitting. But anyway, this is how it looks like. I think the pictures are not clear. Yes, they're not clear. And remember, we have just downloaded them direct from Google. You can always search for very clear photos, maybe on Instagram profile. I think you'll be able to get much clear photos. Right, but this is how the image looks like. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So we've been able to create an Instagram news poster, and that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this. Make sure to comment and let me know what you want us to do next. That's it for today. Remember to continue tagging us and liking, subscribing, so that we can reach more people. There you have it, guys. See you in the next video.